Okay, area of, let's have a shortcut for area of 3-level section. This is a board exam 2017. Okay, find the area of the cross section if the width of the roadway is 12 meters. Okay, ang diskarte rito is what? Is add mo lang to yung 9.8 plus 11.2, store mo siya sa A. Tapos yung dalawa, 3.2 plus 4.21, yung dalawang dulo, store mo siya sa B. And then the area is just A times ito, 2.8. Itong plus yung B times the width of the roadway. Okay, yung kalahati ng width, which is 6. Okay, and then times 0.5 mo lang. Okay, that is the answer. 51.63. So, ulitin ko ha. Itong dalawa na yan, that will be A. Itong dalawa na to, that will be B. And then, you just multiply A times 2.8 plus what? Plus B times yung kalahati ng width, which is 6. And then, multiply mo lang by 1.5. So, ganito rin dito. Okay? So, ang given naman yung cross-sectional area, width is 10. So, ang kalahati ng 10 is what? 5. So, ang gawin mo, yung 9.8 plus yung 7.4. Okay? Store mo siya sa A. And then yung 2.4 plus 1.2. Store mo siya sa B. Okay? Then, therefore, we have what? AX plus what? B times the width of what? Of 5 is equal to what? Is equal lang to twice of 42.9. And then, so this is what? A times X lang plus what? Plus 5 times B is what? Is twice of 42.9. Dahil kalahati ito dapat sa left, no? So, times to the lang. And then, solve ka lang. Your A and B are given. So, your X is 3. Your X is 3.94.